Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I will go ahead and introduce the new products in my right hand. This is a steam kettle, the pot, and let me give overall dimensions first. For the units, the entire height is about like a 23.5 inches tall. And the diameters of this unit, it is almost about like a 19 inches for the diameters. When we're looking at the units in front, we can see they do have a couple indicator lights on the side. One is how it's cooking, one is steaming. And also we do have a temperature adjusters. They're using the Celsius from the 30 degrees to the 110 degrees. And also have a power switcher on the side. And the unit standard plug, they're using the 220 powers. And outside of the units have two handles. You can easily move to the any place you want. Now we can take closer to see the inner side. And when we open the lid, we can feel that there is a gaskets all around the units. And the inner side, they give you a steaming the pans right here. You can remove it and pull it out. For the inner side, we can see the bottom, they mark the stainless steel 304. And they give you the 1, 2, 3 layer adjusted heights for this unit. And the diameter for the inner side of the pot, it is about like a 17 and 3/4 inches. And the height of the inside about like a 17 and 3/4 inches too. That will be the all demonstration information about these products. And if you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.